Howdy, folks! I'm Clucky, the poultry purveyor of digital wisdom. Have you ever clucked your way through the vast plains of digital marketing? Well, let me tell you, it's an exciting adventure. In the heart of this digital barnyard, there lived an exceptional chicken. Yours truly, Lucky. But let me tell ya, I wasn't a run-of-the-mill farm fowl. No, sir. I had a knack for this digital squawking and scratching. My day always starts with a hawk-eye view of the digital farmyard, the social media platforms. Each one has its own pecking order and a different flavor, just like the feed for us chickens. I knew each platform needed its own tail-feathered content. Now, just like a good old-fashioned yarn spun in the coop, I found that storytelling was the beak and eggs of it all. Stories, my fine feathered friends, they ruffle feathers, stir emotions, and peck that like button right into action. But it wasn't all about clucking into the abyss. No, sir. I'd peck at the comments, scratch the replies, and create a community as snug as a hen sitting on her eggs. I tell ya, being chicken-hearted about change just ain't my style. I'd ruffle a few feathers, test the waters, learn from the pecks and scratches, and adjust my wing flapping strategies accordingly. Lastly, let me crow about authenticity. In a world full of flashy roosters and fancy flamingos, I was just your regular chicken, and I was proud of it. Authenticity, my friends, that's what hatches impactful messages. So what did this savvy chicken teach us about cracking the digital eggs? First, understand your platform. Each one has its own quirky beat and needs extra special content. Second, lock some tails. Stories are like the magic beams of the digital world. Third, peck and engage. A two-way street builds a digital roost. Fourth, don't fear the wings of change. Adapt, learn, and mold your strategies. And finally, be as true as a chicken in a coop. Authenticity pecks the loudest. Our tale with Clucky shows that even a chicken can lay some golden eggs about digital marketing. So whether you're a seasoned pro or a chick fresh out of the shell, remember Clucky's lessons and let them roost in your digital marketing strategies. After all, if this chicken can do it, so can you. Clucking out!